Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you're all well. And today I've got another nice and easy recipe for you. Chicken aloo tikki, which is chicken and potatoes, cutlets. So simple to do. Stay with me till the end and I'll get straight into it. Right guys, I've made a start, so I'll put 6 medium potatoes cut in half into some water. Let them boil away until they're about 90% cooked. Okay guys, so once the potatoes are done, I've took them out, put them to the side, let them cool down before I mash them up a bit. So I'm going to start the chicken now. Okay guys, so I'm going to use half a kg of chicken breast. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. And half a teaspoon of salt or salt to taste. And 1 cup of water. And then I'm going to put it on full heat and give it a good stir so everything's nice and mixed in. Once you've mixed it all in, just cover it and let it boil away and go all tender. Okay guys, the chicken's been cooking away in that water and it's nice and soft and tender now. So I'm going to take it up and break it up with some forks and I'll show you how that's done. Okay, what you do is just grab it with a fork, 1 fork, and pull it with the other. Same with the other one. So what you do is just grab it with a fork, pull it apart. So you see nice small bits. But you can let them cool down and just do it by hand as well. Whatever's easiest for yourselves. So you got them something like this. So we'll move to the next procedure. Okay, the potatoes are boiled now. I'm going to put them into this bowl. And just mash them up a bit. Till you got it something like this, all nicely mashed up. And then I'm going to add the chicken to it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Then I'm going to add half a cup of spring onions, about half a cup of coriander, a bit of mint, and about 7 or 8 chilies, green fresh chilies. But you add them as you like. And 1 tablespoon of pomegranate powder, also known as the nardana powder. 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. And salt to taste, I'm putting in half a teaspoon. And 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. And then you'll give that a nice mix. Till you got it to somewhere like this, nicely mixed in all them herbs and spicy coriander and the mushed potatoes and the chicken, everything nicely mixed in. Okay, we'll start making the chicken cutlets, the aloo chicken tikki. Bismillah. So you get about a handful. Just tap it down. Just press it again. Just bring the edge in. So it's nice and round until you get it to somewhat like that. Bismillah. Something like that. And just flatten it to the size you want. But you don't want them too thick because they're going to stay raw on the inside. Until you got them something like this. and then we'll move to the next procedure. You're going to need a couple of eggs for this. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And you give it a whisk until it's all nicely mixed in, the white and the yolk. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. And just give that another mix now, quick mix. Okay guys, so I'm going to start frying them now, shallow fry them. Okay, this egg mix I made, I'm going to dip the tikki in that. Bismillah. And just put it straight into the oil, shallow fry it. Okay, and then once you give it just about a minute on one side and then just toss it over. But you have to be careful with these because they do break easy. Once you toss them all over, then they'll get easier to do. It's just the first time it's a bit difficult, but other than that, it's quite straightforward, this one. Okay, you'll turn it a couple of times either side and then that's it, they're done. Bismillah. MashaAllah guys, the tikki are ready. And it's so easy to do, and look at them, they look delicious. You can enjoy these with naan bread, make sandwiches, salad sandwiches, have them with boiled rice, pulao. Just absolutely beautiful these are. You can even make burgers out of them, and if you don't fancy anything, you can use just plain chili sauce, and this is homemade chili sauce. And if you haven't watched the chili sauce recipe yet, I'm going to put a link in the description box below, and please do watch that one also, and you can enjoy them with just chili sauce as well. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe and share to my channel. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.